Welcome to another event. This time we're in Vegas, Sunset GT. A lot of music. I'll talk very loud and close to the microphone. But we have a ton of amazing cars, cool lights, McLarens, Koenigsegg's, and more. Welcome to Las Vegas again, prior to F1 and for Concours. All the cars are out here, so many. Happy Halloween. I love seeing all the aerodynamics on this amazing Aston Martin Valkyrie. All these exposed vents, floating underbody aero, the fins. Looks incredible, doesn't it? Favorite car here, other than the P1, is a Pagani Zonda. This thing's a total classic. Found the GOAT, guys. GOAT. Koenigsegg Agera RS. All right, here we go. Getting back inside of a States of Endurance McLaren. So it's so cool joining the team when they had this car during Car Week. And I drove the convertible version of the 750S, the Spider. But today we're helping out the guys prep for Concours and are rolling out with all the really cool exotics for a Sunset GT. So some cool behind the scenes. So I drove the convertible version of the 750. It's such a good car. So right now, guys, look at these big like LED pillars right here. This is so cool. Let's turn on the engine like everybody else. Oh, for Sunset.
Give us some gas. Yeah, I want to hear you.
It's very, very hard work to drive cars. Are they putting their top down or up? Hopefully down. Come on, live it up. That is a Bugatti up there. Two Bugattis. A Chiron and then a Veyron. I just realized it's Halloween.
It's Halloween in Vegas.
In Vegas. Halloween in Super Guys. Battery. Okay, so we've pulled out of Sunset GT and we are pretty much on Las Vegas Boulevard, and we have the crowds. Everyone is around us getting video of all these cool cars, Bugattis and stuff. But we're rocking it with a beautifully wrapped McLaren meant to highlight racing at Le Mans. And I think it's pretty cool going full circle, guys, after driving one of them on the States of Endurance project. And I actually brought my 600 LT once out to Vegas and shot flames out here. And now we're back in the Artura, the hybrid. Look at this. So soon F1 will be here in Vegas and we are in a McLaren on Las Vegas Strip. And it's gonna be so cool seeing this next race. I'll definitely be out here for that. And McLaren's on a roll lately, guys. They're winning non-stop. So it's nice seeing the street car brand get lifted up even more. from that. Quick pit stop right here at the Wynn. So what's cool, I'm showing you this, is that McLaren owners get free parking at this hotel. And this hotel has a McLaren like showroom inside where they have some production cars and the other States of Endurance projects. So cool thing with having a McLaren, VIP treatment out here at certain hotels. This is Halloween night, and we're driving this incredible car around Las Vegas. And now the gates are open to the private drive. Alright guys, we have made it. We're finally here to, well, the golf course, and we're going to stage the McLaren, so it's all ready for tomorrow, and I think I might see the other States of Endurance car. I thought I heard that it was out here, and wow, look at that, to our left. So cool. Never done this before, you know, pulling a car onto the golf course for this event, but it's giving me a cool behind-the-scenes look at what goes into this. This is a massive event. So many enthusiasts from all over the country, even out of this country, come in just for this. When you're driving on the grass, and I think we're just now getting towards the McLaren studio. We're here. So here we have the Artura Spider, and it's still dirty because as this was meant to showcase a distance of racing, Le Mans, you know, 3 McLarens were part of this in 8 states, 3,867 miles. It's a lot of driving. So they kept it dirty to showcase, you know, with the races and that same type of distance, what happens to a car, what it gets put through. So they left it dirty like this to showcase that this car was properly driven. You know, it's not a garage queen. It's been across the USA. In terms of supercars, yep, you can drive them every day or take them to the racetrack.
Are you tired of getting rock chips and damage on your vehicle from driving on the road? Don't forget to give us a call at Speed Phenom Film because we have the solution for you. We install paint protection film, ceramic coating, windshield protection, and more at our state-of-the-art studio on the beach of Carlsbad, California. So if you want to get your car protected to preserve your OEM finish, give us a call at 760-496-8607. Anyways, back to the video. Wow, what a fun way to spend Halloween. So the clock has officially rolled over and we are in November now. But still, people are on the streets fully dressed up, right? This is a city that never sleeps. It's really cool working with tons of different brands, doing this automotive journalism, and I really enjoy giving you guys pieces of coverage that are just unique, and they share with you a perspective that you may have never had on things before. So now that you have seen some cool stuff showcasing what happens for Concours and all these other events for the Las Vegas car culture, maybe you might be interested in checking it out. Regardless, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. It really does help me out, and subscribe for much more great content coming out your way. While you do that, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a new video coming out. I'll see you in the next one.